Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have Kecia with me. She's actually my mom's neighbor-ish, just
Yes,
kind of through the,
corner.
kitty corner. Anyway, she's such a gorgeous gal. Actually works for us, and her two cute kids. Anyway, you're going to meet her daughter. We're going to do a cut on her. But anyway, they are just super fun friends of ours. So I wanted to show you on Kecia. We had lightened her hair, did kind of a copper color. It was really pretty. We're going back to her natural. And so I'm going to put a 5N on this, and I'm going to show you how to apply an all over color. First off, I've done a 10 volume. So 10 volume is deposit only. And so say you have gray, you're going to want to use a 20 volume to cover the gray. Some people like to put this in 4 sections. So like this. I love to go down the middle wherever they part first. Then I go around the hairline, and then I take sections. So I'll show you what we're doing. Yeah, we have done, oh my heck, Kecia, how many colors have we done? We have done bright red. Yeah, and so many haircuts. We have done so much. So I'm like, she asked for her appointment this time, and I was like, hey, can we video? We need to show off these fun things that we do. So we are getting the hairline. I like to be extra careful around the hairline. I know some people get going fast and kind of just whip it on, and there's just little splotch marks all around the face. So I like to take, just a little bit more time to try to get the little hairs and be very cautious of where you're painting that color on, because when it processes, you're obviously going to see the darker color. Okay, so you can tell that I went down the part, and now I'm going to the hairline. Yeah, a lot of people, when they put color on, don't realize, they think that they're just putting it on just fine, and then you get done and there's, I don't know, I guess it's just the way I like to do it. Just try to be extra careful to make your lines straight around the hairline. Okay. All right, then we're going to come back here, same thing around the hairline. Yeah, every time Kecia, when she asks for her appointment, I'm always like, hey, what do you want to do this time? Because you never know. Her hair is really long right now. We have had it long, we have had it short, we have had it A-lined.
The mullet.
We've done the mullet. We legit have done so many things with her. It's so much fun. So anyway, so you can tell I'm just coming around the hairline. And then after you get the hairline good, then that's when I come up in this front. Again, make sure that this is covered good. And then I take little sections. Now, say your ends were dark, you could go through like this and do all the root area. Where this is light, I'm going to cover as I go. So depending on what other color they have on their hair, you can, like I said, just go through, do all the root area, then come back and do the ends. But I am going to go through the ends because the ends are light. So you can see I'm just getting this really nice and saturated. Okay, and I can do that with my gloves, just back and forth. Okay, another little section. So the key is you want to take little sections, obviously. If they're too big, you're not going to saturate it like it needs to, and it'll be different colors because the color won't be able to, process evenly. So the key to get it processing evenly is to take little sections. Okay, so you can see I'm just following this down, just little sections. I'm going to do this side, then I come to this side and do the same thing, and then I move to the back, and then I do like this section and then this section. So we are going to do that, then we will come back. We are going to show you her haircut. We're going to trim, but we're going to do some face framing, and we will show you the haircut when we're done with the color. We'll see you in a little bit. Okay, everyone, so we're back here with Kecia. We let her hair process, and now we are going to cut. We are doing a blunt cut, just straight across. She just wants it, she likes the length, but she just wants it evened out and just nicely trimmed. So we're just doing that along the bottom, which is nice. It kind of just catches up to her sides when we just trim it up like this. And I always say I would comb just to make sure there's no little hairs. And then obviously when you dry it, you can make sure that there's no little hairs that's been stuck behind the ear or something. Okay, we're just gonna trim this. Then of course you're gonna tilt the head and bring it straight down. Come straight across. Okay, same thing here. I'm gonna tilt the head. She has it down. She knows exactly where to go with her head. So you can see we're just trimming. Okay, and then she wants face framing layers. And we're gonna start just under the chin right here. So we're gonna come on an angle, open and shut the shears. And then, once I dry it, we will check the cut. And make sure all these layers are the right length. Now we'll go to this side. And bring it down here. How you doing, Kecia?
Great.
Good.
Watch Sanoa take selfies with her cute new haircut.
Oh, cute. Good. I love it.
I have like 200 pictures of my phone.
Message.
I don't look good.
Oh, see, she knows which ones look good and which ones don't. Okay, that's adorable. That's too cute. That makes my day. Okay, so what we're going to do, just going to double check, just kind of cutting into that, just so it's not like, see, I'm going to come up, kind of like this, and then down a little bit, just so it's not like straight across. Okay, sweet. We are going to dry this, then I'll show you the face framing and the length in the back, how it's nice and tricked. Okay, we are back. This is the cut. Let's just show you. Just blunt here in the back. and then the face creaming through the front. And what I've done is done just a couple drops of oil just to put throughout, just to smooth this out. This is the Men's Monet oil, and I love that. This is so cute around your face, by the way. Love it. So cute. Okay, and this is the color. So it's just freshened it up. It's blended her dark root to her light ends. And anyway, I love it. I used the 5N and the 10 volume. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you, Kecia, for letting me show you off. And you're beautiful. And we will chat next time, you guys. Thanks for your support, and I appreciate it. See ya.